We have a function of two variable f, which is given by natural log of x squared plus y squared plus x, y. We need to find the value of x times partial derivative of f with respect to x plus y times partial of f with respect to y. So let's begin. So here we are given the function f, which is equals to natural log of x squared plus y squared plus x, y. So let's find out the partial of f with respect to x, which will be equals to partial with respect to x of our logarithmic function log of x squared plus y squared plus x, y. So that will be equals to, we know that the derivative of a logarithmic function is 1 over x squared plus y squared plus xy multiplied to, because we have an x squared plus y squared plus xy here instead of x, what we'll do, we'll multiply it to the partial derivative with respect to x of x squared plus y squared plus xy. So here we have used the chain rule. So this will be equals to 1 divided by x squared plus y squared plus xy multiplied to partial with respect to x of x squared plus partial with respect to y of y squared plus partial with respect to this is x with respect to x of x times y. That gives us 1 over x squared plus y squared plus x times y multiplied to, so when we take the partial derivative of x squared with respect to x, so that will be 2x. Now partial of y squared with respect to x will be 0 because y will be treated as a constant whenever we're taking its partial derivative with respect to x. So the second term is 0. Now in the third term we have x times y, the y will be treated as a constant, so we have y multiplied to partial of x with respect to x, which is simply 1. So that means we now have partial of f with respect to x, so this is given by 2x plus y divided by x squared plus y squared plus x times y. So let's label this as number 1. Now our next task will be to obtain the value of partial of f with respect to y. So we will begin with our function f. So we have f equals to log of x squared plus y squared plus x times y. So let's take the partial derivative on both sides with respect to y. So we have partial with respect to y of log of x squared plus y squared plus x, y, which will be equals to 1 divided by x squared plus y squared plus xy. So this will get multiplied to partial with respect to y of x squared plus y squared plus x times y. So that gives us 1 divided by x squared plus y squared plus xy. So partial of x squared with respect to y will be 0 because x will be treated as a constant whenever we're taking the partial derivative with respect to y. Then partial of y squared will be 2y and partial of x times y will be x multiplied to partial of y with respect to y, which is simply 1. So now we have partial of f with respect to y given by 2y plus x divided by x squared plus y squared plus x times y. So let's label this as number 2. So what we'll do, now we will use equation number 1 and equation number 2. So what we'll do, we'll take equation number 1 and multiply both sides with x. So we have x multiplied to partial of f with respect to x. So this will be equals to x times the numerator. So we'll have 2x squared plus x times y divided by x squared plus y squared plus xy. So let's label this as number 3. And we'll take equation number 2 and multiply y to both sides. So y times partial of f with respect to y. So that will be equals to y times the numerator, which is 2y squared plus x times y divided by x squared plus y squared plus xy. And let this be number 4. Now what we'll do, we'll add 3 to 4 because we have to find out the value of x partial of x. Partial of f with respect to x plus y times partial of f with respect to y. So this will be equals to, so since we have a common denominator, So we'll take the common denominators, x squared plus y squared plus xy, and we'll add the numerator. So we have 2x squared plus 2y squared, and we have xy added to xy, so that will become 2xy. What we'll do, we'll take 2 as the common factor in the numerator, which gives us x2 multiplied to x squared plus y squared plus xy, whole divided by x squared plus y squared plus xy. So x squared plus y squared plus xy gets cancelled out from both the numerator and the denominator, and this leaves us with a value of 2. So therefore we have obtained a value of x times partial of f with respect to x plus y times partial of f with respect to y. So this is giving us a value equals to 2.